In this video, we'll be looking at some loan apps in Nigeria without a BVN because basically that is what people are actually searching for. So everyone don't want to put their BVN on a loan apps actually. So we're gonna be looking to some apps that you can borrow money from without you submitting your BVN on them. So the first one we'll check out is NRA Marks. So this is a loan app that you can actually borrow money from without BVN. So you can borrow up to 150,000 naira on this loan app. And the registration is actually simple. The app is only available on Google Play Store. The overall rating on this app is 4.1. The total download is 10,000 and the total review is 1,740 thereabout. So if you are interested in getting a loan within 5 minutes, I'll advise you to use NRA Marks loan app because they offer an instant loan to every individual and business owner who is interested in getting a loan in Nigeria. So the next one in this video is T Loan. This is another loan app in Nigeria that doesn't require you to submit any BVN or whatsoever before they can actually disburse a loan directly to your bank account. You can borrow up to 200,000 naira with T Loan. You already make a review on this particular loan app if you check on our website. So this app have generated over 1 million downloads. The overall rating is 3.9 and total reviews so far on this app is 7,130. This app actually offer different multiple payment method, which of course you can decide on how you want to get paid, and you can also decide how you want to pay back the money you borrow on this app. So let's say, for example, you borrow like 200,000 naira, you can divide it to pay back the money in 3 or 4 months, whereby you pay the first half in the first month, and then you can slice the other money to the rest of the month. So you can decide on how you would like to pay back the money on say loan app. The next one in this video is Palmpay. Palmpay is another instant loan app in Nigeria that offer loan to every individual who is interested in getting a loan. They offer a loan of up to 250,000 naira and total downloads on this app is 100,000. The overall rating is 4.2 and total review so far is 5,420 thereabout as at when I'm making this video. So you can say this app is actually easy to borrow loan. They offer a very low interest rate, flexible and safe loan, free ATM card to everyone who actually borrow money from this app. No collateral or guarantor needed, no paperwork, and there's no hidden fees on this app before you can be able to borrow money. So it's just 3 steps away to borrow money on this app, which is you just download the app from Google Play Store, register your details, and once they review all the details you provided, they are going to disburse a loan directly to your bank account that you provided. So the next one in this video is Sway Fund. Sway Fund is another instant loan app in Nigeria that also offer a loan of up to 250,000 naira to people who are interested in getting a loan. The overall download on this app is 500,000. The total review so far is 3.8 and the total uh, overall rating is 3.8 and total review is for 2,470 thereabout. This app is actually available to everyone who is interested in borrowing money from Google Play Store. And you don't need to have any guarantor, paperwork, or be working before you can borrow money on this app. So you can check it out today on Google Play Store and let us know if you are able to borrow money on this app. The next one in this video is Nine Money. This is another instant loan app in Nigeria that are actually trending as of today. So you can see this app have generated over 1 million downloads. The overall rating is 4.0 and the total review so far is 2,190. This app also offers a multiple loan option to repay where you can actually divide on how you would like to pay back the money. They are available 24/7 as long as you have internet access. The application step is actually simple, reliable loan with no extra fee, and your loan will be able to you'll be able to borrow a loan of up to 200,000 naira if you are in Nigeria. So these are the available loan apps in Nigeria that you can actually borrow money from. It's very easy to use any of these apps to borrow money in Nigeria. As long as you have some other basic information, which of course they are going to ask from you, you don't need any BVN or whatsoever before you can be able to borrow money on any of these apps that are mentioned in this video. So check them out on Google Play Store today and let us know if you are able to borrow money from them. Thank you.